Yo, what's up, guys? Hope all is well. And today I want to speak about Gemini, the energies of Gemini, how you can utilize the energies of Gemini. And astrologically, Gemini is an air sign. So personally for me, I'm always able to receive downloads that is in the air. When I need questions from the spiritual realm, or if I'm trying to decipher something, or even just problems, general life problems, I'm able to use the energy of Gemini to receive downloads. Now, for anyone who's unfamiliar with the word downloads in this term, well, it just means to receive information from a higher source. And Gemini is known as the twins. And metaphysically, the twins would be your two shoulders. And externally, what I see that the media does is they use the energies of Gemini to distract the mass population or certain cultural groups. I'm not going to make this video controversial. I just want this video to be about manifestations. But if you look back last year and look at the time zone of Gemini season and see what happened this time last year and what is happening now also, you should be able to spot the signs. Now, the reason why they distract you is because there's energy that can be used to harness and manifest faster. And if you're familiar with basic astrology and alchemy, you will know that there's 4 elemental signs: air, earth, fire, water. This is where we got the term airhead. People who don't know from left to right, your 2 poles, because they're receiving a lot of information. This, however, doesn't mean they're dumb. It just means that the element of air is just swinging left to right because you have a micro element called wind. There's something in the air. I feel good today. And these basic elements is not just exclusive to the weather. It's more so to do with you. We are made up of these same elemental faculties. We are 80% water. We conduct heat that comes from the root chakra of the bottom of your spine. This is why when one is horny, they say, I'm on heat. That's that fire energy that rises up. Exercising, such as running, even skipping, you allow the energy at the root, the deep root of your body, your feet, to rise up. And a lot of dormant energy is in the lower half of the body. Forget about talking about the root chakra, because the root chakra is just what you call the red zone. Malkuth is the deep bottom. That's the kingdom, if we're speaking about Tree of Life or Kabbalah. And if they say in the Tree of Life, it starts from your root chakra upwards to heaven, then you could see the bottom half of your body being hell. By doing activities, you allow your lymphatic system to circulate around your body effortlessly, because the lymphatic system is connected to your vertebrae, which is your back. So this is why I speak about health along with wealth and awareness, the Holy Trinity, mind, body, soul. This is the overstanding of oneself to then be aware of external energies from people and environments. A lot of people are at dis-ease because of the lymphatic system. And the sympathetic system is associated with anxiety and stress, because people's hormones are not in harmony. And getting back to Gemini season, Gemini is to do with your arms, shoulders. If you put them up horizontally, you see that it's like a wing. And if you look at the air symbol for alchemy, you see the line across the triangle. And a lot of my knowledge has come from analyzing symbols, using the right side of my brain first, then left, because this is what my ancestors did. And I'm both-handed, I'm ambidextrous, so I've always been conditioned to be hemi-synced and to not be polarized, which then helps my awareness. Gemini is associated with your lungs. So this is where we talk about air. You need air to breathe. This is how we receive information. The sun is where you can get your downloads from. And earth, we would say this is your flesh, your bones. So those are the 4 elements of the body. And if one was to spin around as if they're activating their Merkaba, these are your wings. Every technology created in this world is a replication of the man, woman, and animal kingdom. So one must understand our body metaphysically. Now, people that are Geminis are usually impatient, immature, indecisive, and like to speak a lot. And there's a collective consciousness that although we may have our own natal chart, we will still be subjected marginally by the energy that is in the air at a current time. So what one must do during this time is internalize this energy and use it practically. So, for example, there's 8 more days to go, but this video will be very relevant for eternity. This is just something to bear in mind for the future. In Gemini season, it is the best time to be praying. It is the best time to be speaking your affirmations into actual realization and 3D manifestation on the screen of space. If you're not praying, you're speaking your affirmations out loud. I'm somebody who doesn't need to tell people what I want to do. I'll speak to myself. And the reason why it's important to speak these manifestations to yourself or in the mirror or in nature, which I love to do, because I understand that plants are 2D consciousness and that they are listening to. And people forget when DJ Khaled was on Snapchat talking to plants, and then he got a 9 million Snapchat deal afterwards. And people used to think that was just entertainment. Listen, these people that you worship are very intelligent. They have 4 or 5D awareness. Whilst they're speaking to the plants and giving gratitude to the plants on IG, on Snapchat, whilst also having, I don't know, maybe 1 million people watching his stories on Snapchat, this creates a energy grid field metaphysically. And this is what you may call a egregore. So I'm just teaching you energy from the unseen world, the metaphysical world that you cannot see with your own eyes. And you can use this to create, or it could be used against you to destruct. But if you internalize this power and you use it for your benefit, you're laughing. So now, in a world of distractions in these current times, I've been noticing that my prayers, my affirmations have been manifested much faster because of the energy in the air. And if you speak to your ancestors, you will see that they have a lot waiting for you right now. If you have laser focus in a current time where Gemini is known for distractions, well, you're going to see the universe has a lot of work waiting for you right now. So can you see why they distract you in certain times of the year? This is 4 or 5D awareness. You need to have 360-degree awareness of self and 360-degree awareness of the universe and Earth. There is many things I see right now, and I just bite my tongue at this point because I told people to do the work last year. And I think people thought things were going to go back to normal in the new year. This is the new normal. Being self-sufficient is the new normal. Being educated in different walks of life and forgetting the stuff that you got taught as a kid and as a teen, and rewiring your brain and relearning is where you need to be. So I say this to say that take back your power, channel laser focus, channel individuality, channel speaking your truth, channel your ancestors, channel the angelic beings and the Most High, channel your intuition, your gut. That is why your gut is called your intestines, because your intuition is held in your gut. Your stomach is a second brain, or if you're looking from it from the bottom up, your first brain. Each chakra is a brain, to be honest, but the reason why I say stomach is your first brain, because it has a lot going on there. That is why your intestines looks the similar color, the similar texture of your brain. Belly of the beast. This isn't just a term that we use casually. Belly of the beast is talking of you. So understand that all these allegories are about you. Nothing in this reality cannot have been made without the intelligence of man. Technology is made and based off man. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe, comment, all of that. Peace.